This 2018 Jayco Eagle 355 MBQS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 42 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 9, air conditioning, refrigerator, water heater, microwave, external shower, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-bunk, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Jayco Eagle 355 MBQS is 13,000 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.